Ooh. So guys, meron tayong biniling something kakaiba. Electric chainsaw. Alright. So first time ko makahawak at makasubok ng electric chainsaw. Kaya curious ako kung effective ba to. May isipan ako guys, so pasensya na ako sa radio ilong ko. Yun oh. Laki rin ah. Sambal natin siya. Madali lang to ah. Minsan may konting thrill kasi pag hindi ka gumagamit ng instructions, sinusubukan mo na lang para. Yun. Ano to? Ano kaya to? Oh, adjustment siya. Galing. So ito yung tensioner niya. Galing. At least hindi mo na kailangan ng tools para sa tensioner. Pati pa sa pagbukas ng cover.
Daddy looks like a chain, Daddy.
Yeah, because it is a chain. That's why it's a chainsaw. See? Chain goes like that. So let's put it to the guide.
I'm excited to see it to work.
Yun. Guide. I like this Sobrang dali niya gamitin. Meron kaming steel na na chainsaw na malaki. I think it's a 24-inch. And that's yung mga high-end talaga na chainsaw. And grabe napaka-hassle gumamit ng limaki ng chainsaw. Looks good.
It looks good!
Hindi siya pwede sobrang higpit. And pag sobrang naman yung slack, ang problema, madiderail naman yung chain. So you gotta find the right balance. So it has this cover for safety.
Cute.
Ganda, no? At least it's something na pwede mo iakyat sa
Puno.
sa puno if you need to. Tsaka very safe siya. Oh, meron siyang nilagyan ng oil. So later, lagyan din natin siya ng oil. Right now, I just wanna test it and see if it works. So there's a power switch. Turn it on. So makikita mo yung light kung on na ba siya o hindi. Then may lock siya sa gilid sa trigger for safety before you can press this one. So pag hindi mo siya na-press, you can't press the trigger. Very simple. Mukhang tibay. I like Inco stuff. Like, don't get me wrong. This is not for free. I ordered this. May resibo pa yan.
I think this is cute.
So, okay. So now we're gonna try it.
You got the battery.
Yeah, Sky, first I'm gonna need you to go back, Sky. While keeping it covered, I'm just gonna put this here first. So I'm treating this na parang baril. Now stay away from the trigger as much as possible. Hold it. Okay. That means should be good. So natanggal natin to. So now, ready na siya. I just have to press the safety and try to trigger it. Ooh! Ooh!
Parang maluwang siya. Maluwang.
A little bit. Yeah, that's cool. So kapag tinuloy-tuloy na siya gamitin, we have to put oil para masigurado na hindi siya masira. Let me turn that off. Okay, we're safe. So the only thing left is lalagyan siya ng oil and then we could try it dun sa lug. So ito yung sa oil niya. Yun. This is not gas, this is oil. Kasi kailangan lubricate yung blade niya.
Yun maganda, no? Wala nang gas. Hindi na makalat. Hindi na
Hindi mausok, hindi mainit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Battery na lang.
So yun, kinakabahan na yung mga troso.